Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Kawasaki Ninja 650 with ABS brakes. This twin-cylinder sport bike just arrived with only 2,900 miles. Beautiful condition. Love this black and green paint scheme. Come on by and make your middleweight sport twin dreams come true with this gorgeous 650 Ninja. Price to sell at just $59.99. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.